Good morning, student. Earlier I have told you that tomorrow I will send you one video related to chapter 1, India, size and location. According to my promise, today I am present in the front of you with first lesson revision video. Try to follow first of all about introduction, which related to our country India. India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. How can we prove that? On the basis of one civilization which flourished near the bank of Indus, which is known as Indus Valley Civilization. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It means before 50 years, either we can say after getting freedom from the Britishers, we transform in the field of social, in the field of economic. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, because our agriculture sectors well developed now these times. We have so many equipments which are used for the agriculture purposes, as well as India set up so many iron and steel industries in different states and so many other industries also. India also developed the industrial complex region. Beside, on the basis of technology, India proved that India also have higher technology like the developed country, because we are able to reach near the Mars also. And overall economic development of India is very good now this time, we can say. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Now try to follow given picture. Location of India. As you see here, India is located in Asian continent. It is bounded with the so many countries, but among these all countries, some are the very bigger. In the case of location of India, there are some facts which are very important in the case of examination. First one is that India located entirely in the northern hemisphere. Besides, second fact, latitudinal extent of India will start from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. In the case of longitudinal extent of India, the longitudinal extent of our country is 68 degree 7 minute to east to 97 degree 25 minute east. These are the facts related to the latitude and longitudinal extent of our country. In this picture you can see here also, here is so latitudinal extent of India from southern part as well as from in northern parts, in western parts and in eastern parts. You can also see in your book. Beside, distance between west to east and from north to south given in these pictures. You must follow in your book. And one line also draw, which is known as time meridian for our country. One another line draw from west to east, which is known as Tropic of Cancer. These are the some important line. Try to follow while you are going to revise your lesson first. Now dear student, Tropic of Cancer 23 degree and 30 minute north divides the country into almost 2 equal parts. Divides the country almost 2 equal parts. This line, 23 degree and half minute. Now, extent of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. What are the data? है ना? Try to follow here. The total land area of Andaman Nicobar Island is 8,249 kilometer square. You can see here clearly pictures of Andaman and Nicobar. We can say the map of Andaman and Nicobar. One interesting thing is here passing one line. The number of this line is 11 degree. This one is known as the 11 degree channel, which divide India, Andaman and Nicobar Island separately. It means this channel divide Andaman to Nicobar. Either we can say Nicobar divides from Andaman with the help of 18 degree north latitudinal line, which is also known as 11 degree north channels. Remember it. Now again here is given data about the Lakshadweep. The island form the smallest union territory of India, and the total surface area is just 32 kilometer square. But there are also so many small islands which consist Lakshadweep Island, which lies in the Arabian Sea. Beside Andaman and Nicobar Islands lies in the Bay of Bengal. Remember it. Now, in the case of size of India, there are so many facts which are given in point wise. First one is the land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. First fact, area of our country 3.28 million square kilometer. Second fact is that India total area account for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. We can say world 2.4% land lies in India, and world near about 18 to 19% population lies in India. Remember it. Now India is 7th largest country of the world. This fact is also remember. In the case of we can say population, India is the 7th largest country. In the case of area. In the case of populations, India rank second after China. Now India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometer. Remember it. The total land boundary 15,200 kilometer, and the total length of the coastline of mainland including Andaman Nicobar Lakshadweep is 7,516.6. Remember it. Now fifth fact, south of about 22 degree north latitude. This fact is very important. Suppose this one is the map of India. Now after 22 degree south towards the south directions, what happen? It begins to taper means narrower and extend towards the Indian Ocean. It means towards the south directions, and dividing it into two seas, and the name of the seas become Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal Sea. Arabian Sea lies in the west direction and Bay of Bengal Sea lies in the east direction. Now we need to pay attention regarding latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. How can we prove that? If we subtract latitudinal extent from 37 degree 6 minutes to 8 degree 4 minutes, then the result is 29 degree 2 minutes, which is nearer to the 30 degree. Again, if we subtract from longitudinal extent 97 degree 25 minutes east to 68 degree 7 minutes east, then The result is 29 degree and 18 minute. So we can say latitudinal variation and longitudinal variation both are nearer to 30 degree. That is why written here latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. Now in the case of latitudinal extent variation is 29 degree 2 minute, and in the case of longitudinal extent variation is 29 degree 18 minute, which we calculate above. Remember it. Now one question here. Question is that 82 degree 30 minute has been selected as the standard meridian of India. Why? You have to write answer. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. How can we calculate? Earlier we have discussed. Try to follow my earlier videos. But the watches show the same time because the time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree and 30 minute east line, which move from the Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh, known as the standard meridian of India, is taken as the standard time. Because if we are going to take time from Gujarat, either Arunachal Pradesh, there is time differences create near about 2 hours. So we take time from the one line which passing from the Mirzapur as standard time for the whole country. Remember it. Now last question is that why is the differences between the duration of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari but not so in the Kashmir? Because as we know, Kanyakumari is quite nearer the equator at 8 degree 4 minute north. 8 degree 4 minute north latitude starting point of mainland of India, which is nearer to the equator. Remember it. The day night differences is hardly 1 hour there, and therefore the duration of day and night is hardly felt at Kanyakumari. Remember it. I hope you can revise as well way lesson first. Thank you.